Your time is precious. So we've trimmed out the fat and curated PrepLadder Rapid Revision, a course with high-yield content that gives you only the essentials for NEET PG. This course includes 165 hours of video lectures covering high-yield topics from all 19 subjects, including image-based discussion, 3,000 high-yield questions covering all 19 subjects with correct answers and detailed explanations, easy-to-revise high-yield compact notes created according to video lectures, distributed into 2 volumes to supplement your last days of revisions, video discussion of last 2 years' exams of NEET, DNB, AIMS, FMGE, and JITMR to help you prepare better, treasures, which are summarized high-yield subject-wise information in the form of tables, flowcharts, bullet points for quick and effective revisions. Rapid Revision is a course that's an abstract of decades of experience of the Dream Team. So enroll now. For more information, visit revision.prepladder.com.